Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am glad you're here. First off, I just want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all so much. And I want to say thank you to anyone who comes in to check out my crazy knife EDC content. I appreciate you so much. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you'd hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon next to it, it really would help me out. So today we have an unboxing from USC. I'm not exactly sure who that is, but I think I know who it is. And I'm going to take my little Amazon butterfly unboxing knife and I'm going to give it a slice, and I was right. This is a package from Vosteed, and it is a little bit bigger than a folder. So that can only mean, well, it could mean more than one thing, but I think it's going to mean that this is going to be the updated version of the Vosteed Mink with Nitro-V on the blade. So let's check this bad boy out. How did I miss that? I didn't. Duh. Sorry guys, I'm just goobing on you. For some reason, I'm having a problem with this plastic. So as we get into this, let's see what Vosteed has done with the Mink. Great knife. I actually checked out a Mink in 2022 before it was ever called a Mink at Blade Show. Talked to you there, and he had one that was a proto, so you've got your maintenance, safety guidelines, warranty information. You've got Stay Sharp, Stay Wild sticker. You've got your Vosteed little cloth. And you've got this really nicely packaged Mink. So it's got the half ulti-clip, not ulti-clip, the half tech little lock type mounting system that you can either carry vertically or you can swing it around and you can carry it horizontally. What I'll probably do is put an ulti-clip or a deep concealment carry clip on there. Let's put this stuff back in the box. And let's look at the knife. So I'm a big fan of the Mink. And the older Minks, if I'm not mistaken, were not Nitro-V. And I don't remember the jimping being two-fold like that. What a beautiful little EDC fixed blade. So you've got a full tang Nitro-V blade, kind of a Stonewash finish here. You've got really nice, tight, sharp jimping, both on the front of the blade here towards the tip and back here. You've got this frag pattern. Did this say G10 or is it Micarta? Let's see. Black Micarta. So you've got this fragged out Micarta handle that is very comfortable, and it's got a lot of grip because of the frag. You know, a lot of people said they're kind of done with frag, and on titanium it is a little bit different on the Micarta or on G10. I think it just comes in very handy. I happen to have a couple of knives out here from an earlier review. So it's going to be longer than the LT Right. It is going to be longer than the Benchmade Baby Bug Out. And it is going to be shorter than the Concept Fenrir by about an inch. So it's going to be what I would consider to be a great sized, shaped EDC knife. Let's see how sharp it is. And again, guys, this is just an unboxing. Not even exactly sure what this particular version is going to go for. I will find out before the review. Ooh. Very thin blade stock. Nice blade geometry. Super, super sharp all the way through. The edge looks very even on both sides. Nice toothy, bitey grit. Got a cutting choil or a sharpening choil cut into it there. Just a very nice specimen. Looks like T10s to take the scales off if you ever wanted to oil it or clean it out behind there. Those scales might be removable. I don't know if that's going to be removable or not. That's something we'll check in the review. I don't know if they'll free spin, but you do have a lanyard tube here, lanyard hole. Again, great jimping, which I do not remember being on my original Mink. But that is the Vosteed fixed blade EDC little badass Mink. They also make this in a sheep's foot, so I know it's in a couple of different blade shapes, but just look at the sharpness of that jimping. Great knife, guys. I'm really excited to try this one out, to put it through some paces, to carry it. First thing I need to do is get a clip on here, something I can throw it in my back pocket. Great retention on the sheath. Very good retention on the sheath. Let's go ahead and get our hardware out. And let's do, while we've got it out, this won't take but a second, hopefully. If I don't lose my parts. If we don't lose my parts, so what we're going to do is we're going to stick all this back together. Keep that where it's ready to go. And we will reach into our bag of tricks. And we will see if this particular deep concealment carry from Holster Builders will be a good match for our pocket dropper that we're creating here. Let's see, gonna put it in my back pocket, boom, like that. That's exactly right. Alright, I'm gonna do it just like that. And I know that looks weird, but that's just the way it's gonna need to be. And I think it'll work just fine. I could make it a little deeper, but let's do this. Let's take that and take that. Let's see what happens if we start it out kind of low, if we're going to like that or not. I'm guessing we will. Let's see. Alright, we're going to take this. We're going to bang that over there. Get this screw started. And we can move it around. First thing we need to do is get it started, which I seem to be struggling with. There we go. Bada bing. Bada boom. We'll get that one down like that. Then we're going to give it a little bit of downslide. Like yeah. Interesting. My hardware is a little long where I put it on too tightly. Maybe that's what I've done. Maybe I've put it on too tightly. No. I've got a little protruge in my hardware. But I've got it nice and on there now. Easily throw it in my back pocket. Easily draw it from my back pocket. So the holster builder's clip is going to work just fine. Guys, I appreciate you checking out the video. I apologize for throwing the clip on it, but I had to start somewhere. That way I could put it in my pocket. I can start testing it out. Guys, do me a favor. If you're still here, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.